Start a primary trade lines business, make $10,000 a month. Get free trade lines. The clients that are going to be contacting you don't have good credit, that's why they need you. That's why your services are so hot, and that's why you're going to be the most popular person in town. Your phones are going to start ringing, your emails are going to start lighting up. One friend tells another friend. One coworker tells another coworker. One relative tells another relative. One business associate tells another. Do you know how many people need help with their credit? Now, what's the perfect mix on a person's credit report? We'll put you in the shoes of a realtor or a banker or a credit card company. What would you like to see if you were going to give an unsecured loan? You want to see about 7 or 8 or 9 trade lines. Depending on the person's age and the limits that they're applying for. The amounts you want to see is 7, 8, or 9 primary accounts in a person's name. You won't consider authorized user trade lines. The primary account has to be established. They have to have open limits, they have to be in good standing. They have to be open, and they have to have history 6 months to a year, and maybe a paid-off auto or a home loan in good standing and current. Also, about 5 or 6 credit cards with very low balances, 5% or less utilization with good limits, $10,000 to $20,000. The people that you're going to be working with don't have this. That's why they need you. That's why your services are in such demand. Welcome to the most exciting, and one of the most profitable industries out there. Every person that calls you needs something. You have to analyze their credit and know a little bit about credit reports. How important credit is, and what it takes to reduce debt utilization and increase history and scores. When buying trade lines, it's better to work with larger companies that have hundreds or thousands of different trade lines. Which we do. Plus, we've got a $10,000 and $15,000 open line of credit trade line that shows a zero balance reporting month after month. And they definitely don't fall off. Just add it up, and you can see the potential. Now, granted, keep in mind you can get primary trade lines for almost free. You're going to make $300 markup or more on each one. You need to sell only 20 trade lines per month to get to $6,000 gross. Okay, the title of the video says how to make $5,000 a month part-time by selling trade lines. So what you want to do is sell 2 trade lines every business day. For example, there are 20 business days in a month. Let's say we're just charging the client $300 for one primary account with a $10,000 limit. That's still going to be a tremendous credit boost. It ends up costing you about $50 for the trade line reassignment and your business expenses. You made a $250 profit. Multiply that by 40 clients a month, and you've got yourself $10,000 in gross revenues per month. That's just step 1. You're also trying to assist the client in getting negative items taken off, and we can help with that too if you need it. And third, and most importantly, what are they trying to accomplish? They're obviously trying to do something. Not just increase their credit scores. Whether it's buy a home, a condo, get a business loan, get a personal startup loan, simply get an apartment, or buy a car. To get all the necessities of life, you need good credit. And in addition to that, you can assist with phase 3 of their package, which is life transformation. You have to fix the credit and positive history before you can apply for any kind of loan. If you don't have at least 3 primaries, you won't even be able to get a Macy's card, let alone get a mortgage or auto loan. I hope you've gotten a lot of valuable information from this video, and if you ever have any questions, whether you become one of our clients or not, contact us. I'm wishing you the very best of luck, the very best of success, happiness, profits, and health to you and your family. I know you have questions. Like, how and where do I get trade lines for free? How do I get them posted, without a furnisher's account? How do I get clients? We check our texts daily throughout the week, and we're pretty accessible.